Female suicide bomber returns, killed 13 civilians and 8 of their children. File a female Boko People suicide bomber after her arrest. 13 civilians and 8 of their children died Friday when a suicide bomber blew herself up in a Boko People attack on a village. Cameroon News Agency said the attack happened in Mozongo in the Mayo Tsanega division, far north region of Cameroon. It was the third Boko People attack this month in the region. It was also a signal to neighbors, Nigerian and Niger, that the Boko People may have recruited new sets of suicide bombers and ready to unleash them. The Boko People have not deployed suicide bombers to attack their enemies in a long while. Mahamat Chetima Abba, the traditional chief or Lamido in the village of Mozongo, told AFP the attackers arrived in the middle of the night, shouting Allah Akbar, God is great, and brandishing machetes. The panicked villagers tried to run off into the nearby forest, and in the stampede, the suicide bomber detonated her device, he said. The account was confirmed by a member of the local defense committee who said his group had tried to repel the attack. 13 civilians died, 2 of them and the children aged 4 and 5, as well as 6 teenagers, a regional police officer told AFP by phone. Speaking on condition of anonymity, the Lamido confirmed the number, saying that a woman and her 3 children were among the dead. Both attributed the attack to Boko People. The police source said that in addition to the suicide bomber, the other fatality among the attackers was a man who was killed by the self-defense force. They infiltrated the population. Boko People is inflicting more and more damage here, Shetima Abba said. However, it seems that they no longer have the means to carry out mass attacks using guns. He said, noting that the assailants had carried machetes. They are using homemade bombs more and more, he said. On Monday, 3 members of a self-defense force in the nearby village of Kaliahari were killed. More than 36,000 people have been killed, most of them in Nigeria, and 3 million people have fled their homes since Boko People launched its insurrection in northeastern Nigeria in 2009. Boko People and a splinter group called the Islamic State in West African Province, ISWAP, have stepped up attacks in recent years in Nigeria and neighboring Niger, Chad, and Cameroon. Niger is also being hit by jihadists crossing from Mali. An attack on 2 villages in the western Niger region of Tillaberi on Saturday left 105 dead, the highest civilian toll in the Sahel since the jihadist insurgency began in the region in 2012. Thank you for listening to this news. Wow, can you imagine? These people, they keep reactivating themselves year after year. This one, I've just decided to show himself in 2021. It will never work for him. It will never work for her and the people that sent her in the name of Jesus. You understand now? It will never work. Look at, you can see how these northerners are being brainwashed. This one, they just succeeded in brainwashing this one afresh. This is a fresh brainwashed person. This is what they do. They keep brainwashing people to make them believe that the moment they bomb themselves and people die, that they are going to make heaven. Look at, see how someone is using himself as a sacrifice. Look at, God have mercy. They will never see us in the mighty name of Jesus. Their evil plan will never come to play. It will never come to pass. This is what they did. Oh my God. As many as they are that are trying to locate us in our homes, in the name of Jesus. As they are trying to kill us, they will kill themselves. As they are trying to kill us, they will kill their enemy, their brothers. Their own relations are the ones that they are going to kill. Suicide bombers, be far away from us. My dear viewers, see, this is a broadcasting channel. This channel, you are opportune to be enlightened both on information and also to be delivered from every evil, because this time around we have to conquer every evil that may come on our way. So wherever you are, start rejecting these people. They will never come to your dwelling. They will never come to your dwelling because they are everywhere. They are everywhere. See, don't doubt it. See, they are. See, one thing about these hoodlums is that when they want to strike, they will announce it because they are sure of themselves. They are sure of themselves. They know that they will succeed. That is why they will announce it. They will not pick you unaware. They will come confidently. You see that? To know the level insecurity has gotten in Nigeria. Nigeria is now a kingpin in insecurity. My dear, we must not give in to their trick. We must not give in to their trick. You understand? So let us not tolerate their tricks. Let us not tolerate their plans, because that is what they have been doing. Do you understand? That's what they have been doing, and that's what they have been trying to do. Do you understand? So I don't concur to their evil plans. I don't concur to that, and I will never concur to that. I will never concur to that. That is why I am passing this message to you, wherever you are, to be careful and be watchful. Be wise. Don't give in to their tricks. They know what they are doing. They know what they are saying. These ones has just been brainwashed newly. You understand? So let us be wise. They are everywhere. Remember the one they did at the petrol station, whereby a young boy has allowed himself to be explode, believing that having done that he's going to be rewarded by whatever, by Allah, that is going to make heaven. That is what they told the child. You see that? They are now out again. They have returned. And this very one is the one that was arrested not quite long. So, my dear viewers, I think I've spoken at length. Your own comments concerning this are very, very important. Deem it fit to leave them below the comment box. Click on the subscription button as well as bell button to receive more updates. Thank you.